We've recently got the news of a clash that has taken place at Galwan Valley between India and Chinese troops last night. And as per the reports that we are just receiving now, on the Indian side we've had casualties, which includes a commanding officer of the rank of a colonel, and probably some casualties on the Chinese side. Casualties immaterial. This is not the time to count the number of casualties, but the fact remains that a border which has remained peaceful for a long time has become active. And this is not something what either the Indian army or the Chinese army wants. This is not something which the Indian government nor the Chinese government wants. We've been having face-offs every year along the line of actual control between India and China. But then there are procedures to resolve the issues which are there, but then it has rarely ended up in a clash. You would recall that we've had an incident in the Doklam Plateau in 2017, wherein though it was in the Bhutanese territory, because it was affecting our security, the Indian security, we went across the border and stopped them from going beyond. But then at the same time, our leadership, the Indian Prime Minister's office and the Chinese President's office were in touch, and hence the situation got de-escalated. Here too, we were witnessing this standoff for the last more than a month, and as per reports that we recently received, we had a meeting between the Corps Commander of 14 Corps in Leh and his counterpart on the Tibetan Plateau on the 6th of June at Moldo flag meeting point, and probably the issues are getting resolved. I'm sure at the same time at diplomatic level too, diplomats were in touch with their counterparts on the Chinese side. But just as things were improving, and just as the army chief made a statement yesterday or 2 days back that the situation along the Indo-China border is stable, we had this incident yesterday. Normally in China, such incidents do not take place without an okay from their hierarchy. I am not sure if this is an incident which has been dictated from top. Apparently, it is at the local level wherein there has been some issues between local troops as they were withdrawing, and which has resulted in a clash. What is most important is the fact that this needs to be resolved immediately. In fact, the Chinese Global Times, which is actually a mouthpiece of the Chinese government, has made a statement that very conciliatory statement asking the Indian government and the Indian army not to take all steps to avoid escalation. And as I am speaking today, I am given to understand that there is a major level talk taking place at patrolling point 14, which is very close to the Galwan Valley. So while I would not like to go into comparison of the force levels on both sides, or as to how they escalate, what kind of a course that an escalation would take, all what I would like to say is that it's most important for both the nations to resolve this issue and get back to their original positions as were existing till a month before.